Here we are on the opening bell on Green Mountain Coffee. And the 107.20 gap up there was an immediate sell short on that opening bell, clear down to 102.50. Just call it $5 down. Now we're at 104, so 102.50, and we're almost $2 off the bottom. Well, if you do the math, that's a $7 move from the bull gap short to the bear reversal bottom up. For the rest of the remaining day, because these indexes on the right elbow gap up in the morning were up. The Dow was up over 130 points because of the debt ceiling. But we talked about in pre-market about sell the news short, and that it would come. It couldn't come right away. It could come immediately, but it would be verified over here immediately. And it came immediately. Now, for the rest of the day, what we're going to be doing is that the long debit is the reversal. The short debit trade has been done. Okay, so we're not shorting it again, but buying down here off of the bottom, it's consolidated the bottom, and this is how you consolidate a reversal. You go up, and if we stay weak, meaning we go up and this thing can't go above 35 and you can only get to 0.2 here, negative 0.33 on the low, 0.80 on the high at that price, and that's what you're trading is that number. And now we go above 35 here, and this number has to keep ascending. Remember, it was just at 0.2, it's at 0.5. That's going to give that support level, but we're breaking half bars up in the platform. So let's take a look at this half bar here. It closed above the previous bar, 27 cents on the move. And we took out this right here with this bar. These down bars are taken out with the positive up bars mathematically. So opening short, how to get long. This is the long trade now. And how to buy that bottom after the short. So when you buy the cover, you're going long here now. And you're looking for when you come down in the IR, because on this candle right here, the low is 102.5, but the IR was only 5. I have it all right here. It's all right here in your info panel. That was 5. When we started to reverse immediately, if you look here in this bar, the IR was at 18. That was the reversal. It had changed in value, greater than, not less than, and then the price went along with it. Then we came back down and we tested this half bar right here at 102.74. The low of that bar here was 102.83, and we didn't break it. Then it was confirmed right here. But the thing of it is, if I only go up to 35 in reverse, that means that the long debit is not nearly as long as the short debit. So when we do put in a bottom, we haven't even been open. In 3 minutes, it'll be 1 hour opening bell. So when we come down and set up, we got to see that this has got to go well toward 55, 65. Just like that IR right here in the IR column, this was up at 67%. But guess what happened? When that thing started to drop like a rock, we started to go lower, and the whole moved down. You can see it clearly. Green Mountain Coffee. So the long debit, if it's only going to go up in volatility, and 1 teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teeny, 4 teeny, I said 5 teenies. 2 teenies is a consolidation in the platform, but 5 teenies up in volatility, 3 teenies down. You could go 3 teenies and 5 teenies. I said it in pre-market. But when you go up here and you can't go any higher, and this can't keep going your way, and this is not positive 7 like it was. It's back to positive 0. That means that the move is weak, and you always ring the cash register. Another thing about the intraday trend so far in the hourly trend, price action. So the hourly price action is that the short is greater than the long side. So that means that the price action as a whole is weak in the first hour of trading. It will take time to set up, but that's how you come out of the short and go long and sell into the news.